Hello, beautiful souls. How are you? I am pretty sure that you want someone or you want other people to be obsessed with you, and that's why you're watching this video. But how you're gonna do this? This question is $1,000,000 question. Why and how you're gonna do it? So, first thing first, what you have to do is to be obsessed with you. Yes. First, you have to be obsessed with your own self. And what I mean by that is make yourself pretty, attractive, confident. Like, baby girl, you need this. You have to be obsessed with you first. You have to be. You know why we feel inferior? Why other people are more beautiful than me? Other girls are more beautiful than me? Because we're not confident in our skin. We want to change ourselves. You know, there's an experiment that I've watched on Facebook that they ask children what they want to change in their body, and they ask adults what they want to change in their body. And you know what children say? That they're comfortable in whatever they have. Some children want wings, some want tails like mermaids or jaws like tigers. And you know, when we ask the same question from those adults, they say that I want to change my body. I don't have attractive face, so I want to change my face and etc. whatnot. So the point is, you don't have to feel changing yourself every time you watch anyone. If you like someone, yeah, do some things like them, but still in your own style. So be comfortable in whatever you have and accept yourself. You know, acceptance is the most important thing. If you're thinking you're ugly, why you're thinking you're ugly? Because you're comparing yourself? Because you're thinking that someone else is more beautiful? You know, there are millions of people who are more beautiful than me, who are more beautiful than anyone who's watching this video. But why we are comfortable? Why we are happy? Because we know that we're different. Everyone is different in this world. Nobody is comparing you with them. So you don't also have to compare yourself with anyone. So stop comparing and start improving. Improve yourself. You know, there are millions of things which you can fix, but there are some things which you cannot fix. You don't have to fix them. You know, you don't have to fix them in the first place. Don't think that. If you think you have dark skin or if you think you have ugly skin, if you can do something to make it beautiful, do it. But if you cannot, then don't do it. Accept yourself the way you are. And you know, do something unique with your style. Don't be like everyone else. Change yourself a little bit. In what ways I'm saying change yourself? Your dressing style, the way you talk, the way you sit. If you're slouching, if you don't have good posture, it will be a very big hindrance in your way to self-development, to your personal development. So develop yourself in a way that people become attractive to you. You know, be mysterious. Do not overshare everything. Do not think that you're gonna give every information about yourself. You're gonna give everything that you have in your heart. Don't overshare. Please don't do this. Be a little bit mysterious. Let them be curious. Make them curious. Make them intrigued about you. So they want to know more about you. So they want to be with you because they want to know more. That what's about the story that she's telling and what happens next, or what she likes the most, why she like that. Don't tell everything to everyone. Don't think that if you are so friendly, if you're humble, if you're kind to everyone around you, if you're available 24/7 to everyone around you, they're gonna be obsessed with you. No, they're not gonna be obsessed with you. You can be their favorite person, the most lovable person they met. But your goal is to be obsessed by them. So make them obsessed. And what you have to do? I'm telling you what you have to do in very simple step. Be mysterious. I'm not saying to become a spy or a detective. I am telling you to not overshare and to talk less as much as you can. You know, our words hold power. Whenever you saw someone, whenever you met someone in the first place, after looking at their face, their suit, their dress, their body, you listen to their words. And our words matters the most. You know, people around us and people around me don't know the value of words. Whatever I'm telling you right now is not what something theoretical, is not what something I've read somewhere or I've listened somewhere. This is what something I've gone through. I've gone through all of these things. That's why I'm telling you, do not overshare. It will devalue you. It will take all your charisma, all your mystery and spice, you know, everything. So don't do that. Another thing which you can do to make other people obsessed with you is don't be available 24/7. Yes. If someone messages you, if someone calls you, if someone texts you, if someone called you and said that I'm gonna meet you and they're not that much valuable person, they're not that much important, they're not gonna be so much important in your life, don't give away all of your energy to those people. Just prioritize yourself, your work first. I'm not telling you to be selfish or unkind and mischievous. I'm not telling you to be like that, to become harsh or start showing bad behavior. I'm not telling you anything to do with. But you know, the more you're available, the more less valuable you are. Set boundaries. Set healthy boundaries, good boundaries between you and other people, between your values, ethics, manners, what you want, what you don't want from them. Set boundaries. Don't let everyone just come and disturb you, distract you from your goals. You know, when you become goal oriented, when you become focused, you eliminate a lot of distractions from your life. Just like social media. Social media is taking all of the credibility, authenticity, and success from your life. We know all of these things, but we don't implement. Implementation is the most important thing. I am telling you the most simplest thing on the earth, which you can do. Set boundaries, don't be available, become obsessed with you, improve yourself, concentrate on your goals, achieve them. Become successful. Everybody wants to be successful in life. Surround yourself with successful people. You don't have to go and sit with them. Listen to them. Listen to the podcast. Listen to their lectures. Listen to their videos. And value your time. Your time is crucial. It matters the most. Don't waste it. Work on your communication skills. They are so important, crucial in life. People who lack this lack everywhere. In their relationships, job, college, university, school, everywhere. They're valuable and lifelong. Once you've learned them, once you know the tips, the tricks, and the value, you're gonna have it for the rest of your life. You can share that knowledge, you can even earn from that. So, build confidence. When you have good communication skills, or when you're gonna have good communication skills, you'll instantly get that confidence of talking, of conveying your thoughts, your decisions, whatever you're thinking, whatever you have done, whatever you're gonna do, you can communicate about that effectively. Communication is a mean in which one person understands the other person. And if you lack that, if you're timid, if you're shy, if you're not confident, if you're feeling embarrassed every time you talk to everyone, you cannot make anyone obsessed with you. Because again, I'm telling you, words hold power. They can make you powerful, or they can make you less valuable and not important for everyone. Try to concentrate on yourself, improve yourself first, and then see the magical things going to happen. You're going to attract good people because you're positive. You stay away from negative people, you stay away from negative relatives, friends, family, even your own siblings. If they're negative, stay away from them. The more you become positive, the more healthy your skin going to be, the more glowing you will be, the more beautiful you're going to be. And change the definition of beautiful. Don't think that if this girl is beautiful, I'm going to compare myself to that girl and I'm going to be like her. No. When God made you different from her, why you want to be like her? Why you want to dress like her? Why you want body like her? Why you want skin like her? You have everything of your own. God has given you everything. So, believe in yourself. Improve yourself, improve your style, your personality. Do something that makes a good impact on people. Action speaks louder than words. Do some things that make you feel good from the inside. When you start feeling good from the inside, no one is going to make you feel bad. When you give consent to other people, and then after that, they make you feel less. They make you feel inferior. They make you feel you're ugly. Because you have a very narrow definition of beautiful. You know what we used to think when we think that she's beautiful? Fair skin, tall height, bright eyes, plump lips, and all of these things. I don't care about the standard, the beauty standards that we have set, or some people have set. Don't break those standards. Because we all are different. Humans are not same. Why we have standards? Beauty standards are like the most bullshit thing ever. If you like this video, share it with everyone who you want to be charismatic, confident, and who want everyone to be obsessed with her or him. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.